Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And I have another Toyota Sequoia project here for you in this video. If you follow this YouTube channel, you definitely remember that I made bunch of videos regarding the problem with this failing rear door handle right here. I even made video or redesigning, but not only that, I explain the complexity of this entire problem. So here is, for example, update on the handle. Look, it perfectly works, right? The redesigned handle perfectly works. It has that nice firm action. It doesn't give. So you can hear that works great. But there is one little detail which I want to show you. I explain in those videos in detail that part of the problem could be this lock. And if you look with me, there's something missing. You see those lines here, right? There was obviously protective cover which will not stop completely, that's impossible, but it will minimize the amount of dirt coming inside of here, right, where the grease is. There, the cover is missing. I just got the part, so let's go install it. Here you can see the part number for 2005 Sequoia. And I will try my best to set up the camera the way that you can really see in the detail how that dust cover is attached. And before installing it, let's go together and actually look at that brand new part itself, right? So this is the plastic cover with this opening. But what is interesting for anybody, and not only installing, also removing it when you are working on that lock, is how it's installed, right? So there's like a soft tape. You can see it here, this is brand new. And there are two areas which we will be engaging, right? These two kind of plastic clips, and then it will be clicking, I believe, somewhere right here. So let's go right now and try to install it. And filming these things, it's always a challenge because you work with the contrasts, right, lighting and so on. But I believe it should snap in this way, right? So I should engage it first in this area, and then I will be snapping it in here. So this top is already underneath, so that's good, and let's see what will happen here. Oh, did you hear that? So basically to install it was first here and then click it here. If I want to remove it, I will be doing the opposite, right? I will be removing this part. Even with the fingers, actually, it should probably pop off. Right, did you see that? And that's it. So once again, I will engage the top part underneath and pop it right here. And we have nicely installed that cover. And let's see if it's not affecting any clearance here or the function of any parts, right? Nice. Perfect. I love it, and I will sleep better every night because when I will go off-road, right, I will know the dust will have way harder way to get inside and give me trouble in the future. So I'm happy that part wasn't cheap. It was almost 20 bucks, but it is what it is, right? I couldn't find it anywhere cheaper, and I believe it's worth it. And that was another Toyota Tech video on this channel. If you like it, please give it a thumb up and make absolutely sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.